Yo, what is up, guys? Such exclusive here. In this video, I want to show you guys how you guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing if you guys have no followings whatsoever, and how you guys can actually get started with this. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, guys, sorry about the messy head. Just woke up and I decided to make a video on how you guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing, even if you guys have no following whatsoever. A lot of people actually think that the only way to be actually successful with affiliate marketing is actually having a big following, a big email list, whatsoever, but that is not true. A lot of successful affiliate marketers actually start from zero. Some people that don't do personal branding are affiliate marketers, and they just stick in the back end, and they don't really want to show their face and stuff like that. I'm gonna talk about two ways that you guys can actually do it: the paid way and the free way. Well, there is free ways to get this started, but I'm gonna show you guys when people who don't like showing their faces and just want to be in the back end of everything. Talk about a lot of people like, be on the face, doing personal branding and stuff like that. But I actually found a new way that you guys can actually do this without showing your face, if you guys want to become in the back end. The most important thing is, if you guys are starting off and you guys want to keep this up and running as fast as you guys can, I suggest to do Google ads or Ping ads. Alright, Ping ads is less competitive than Google ads. Google ads is more expensive, and you guys kind of do a lot of things, but if you learn one of them, you guys could do both. Alright, because first I started doing Google ads, and I did buy a course, a $10 course on Udemy to actually help me out with running ads and stuff like that. So I started doing that, and it's actually the same. You guys could literally do the same thing that you guys do on Google ads and put it to Bing ads. Alright, that's how a lot of people actually get this up and running. But if you guys do want a free method, which I suggest you guys do it, is TikTok. Whatever product you guys are selling, just go on TikTok and create an account. TikTok is what is, before the trend ends, TikTok is one of the best ways to get free traffic. But if you guys are not really comfortable with showing your face, you guys can actually hire somebody to actually do videos for you. Let's say we go to Fiverr. Alright, you go to Fiverr, you go to TikTok. Alright, just put TikToks and just search. Let's see what pops up. Alright, you can actually hire people to actually do the videos, and it's pretty amazing. Right, this guy right here is doing, I will edit TikTok videos for you with engaging subtitles. Alright, not this one. I will grow your TikTok account with my 10 million followers account. Alright, these are just promoting. Let's see. Alright, guys, I found one, so I'm just gonna go right here. This one has 5 stars, 116. Alright, so let's see this one, so you guys could see how you guys can actually purchase this and how you guys can actually get this started. Alright, so this one, I will film a TikTok ad in 15 seconds. Alright, let's see their standard. The standard says I will film a TikTok ad in 30 seconds. So depending on what videos you guys want to promote, let's say 15 seconds, it'll be $15. 30 seconds, 25, and then a minute is $35. So mostly people do the 35. A minute, if you guys are doing, you want to show a tutorial and stuff like that, she will literally make a TikTok video for you and start doing that. Let's say you guys do three videos per day, 7 days out of the week, 21 videos that you guys need times 35. All right, $35. You guys will spend 735. All right, but let's say that you guys make up to, $10,000. All right, let's just say that $10,000. take away 735, you guys will actually be making $9,265. All right, which is pretty good. Let's say you guys are doing Bing ads or Google ads. You guys are actually you guys are gonna be actually wasting more money. We're not wasting, but you guys are actually gonna be spending more money on ads than you guys would be doing if you guys go through this method. But if you guys don't want to go through this method, I suggest to post on TikTok I suggest to go on TikTok and actually just create an account and post every single day, 3 times a day, and just keep doing that until on your specific niche that you guys are gonna be doing. Because I stopped doing TikTok, but I started doing other things, but I want to get back into TikTok on doing it. I just haven't had time to be posting my videos. So, I'm thinking of creating a new TikTok account with different thing, but I don't know yet. I'm still busy on focusing on other traffic methods, but TikTok is an actual good method. I remember one video went up to 27, but it was like a motivation video, so that went up to 37K of view, and I done TikTok for just 2 days, and one of them got, depending on what you guys actually engage on and stuff like that, you gotta make the video really engaging to actually help that TikTok. But I'm not really a TikTok expert. Some are, you just gotta look up on videos and stuff like that. But yeah, so if you guys could be hiring this person, but like I said, you guys don't have to go for the minute. You guys could easily do a 15-second a 15-second video each time, which is $15. If you guys keep doing it, $15, just her speaking and stuff like that. You guys could actually do that. If you guys want me to do a video on actually hiring somebody to just do TikToks for me and see how that goes, comment down below and I'll try to do that. And let's see how many people will actually want me to do that. All right. But yeah, like I said, you guys could do 30 seconds, $25, stuff like that. But it's pretty good if you guys don't want to show your face whatsoever. You guys could just hire her to do the videos for you, and you guys could see how good she does. Record a TikTok ad, so forth and so forth. And that's basically it. You guys could even contact the person that you guys are gonna purchase and see how it's gonna go. All right, or to see if they could do the things that you guys want, whatsoever. But you guys could literally hire someone through Fiverr and get and do TikTok videos for you. All right, like I said, that's one way. Is the paid. Both of them are paid, but if you guys want to do it for free, just do it yourself. But if you guys are not comfortable, you guys do have to spend a little bit of money. Yeah. So with Google Ads, you guys need to just take a course. You guys need to master it, because when I first started off, Google Ads was really, really difficult. I just threw money away, but ads are very, very complicated. My suggestion, if you guys are gonna go through that route, to actually invest on a course, a Udemy $10 course on Udemy could actually do the trick. All right, if you guys want that course that I use to actually do Google Ads, I'll leave the link down below. I'm not affiliated with them. I just leave the link because I thought it was a great course. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below. All right, so yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. If you guys really want me to do that video where taking a TikTok account to 0 to 10K followers just by using another influencer, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'm still doing that giveaway. When I reach 200 200 subscribers, I will be doing a book giveaway. Whichever book I listed on my other video, I am doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to enter to win, all you got to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below on what book you guys want. All right, if you guys want to see that video, I'll leave it right here for you guys, so you guys can see the books that I'm a give away, whichever books you guys want, you know. And yeah, that's basically how you guys can enter to win. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.